Hello students, welcome back to online English class. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of lesson number 1, the fun they had. First of all, thinking about the text, answer these questions in a few words or in a couple of sentences. How old are Margie and Tommy? मार्गी और टॉमी की एज बतानी है. मार्गी इज 11 years old. टॉमी इज 13 years old. See the next question. What did Margie write in her diary? On 17th May 2157, Margie wrote in her diary, "Today Tommy found a real book." Question number 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? क्या मार्गी ने पहले कभी एक बुक देखी थी? Answer. Margie had never seen a book before. Ever था ना क्वेश्चन में, कभी देखी है. She had not seen, तो not ever की जगह हम लिखते हैं never. She had never seen a book before. Next. What things about the book did she find strange? Answer. Margie found it strange that the book had printed words. The words did not move. They stood still on paper. She was used to seeing words move on a screen. She also found it strange that the words on the page did not change even after they had been read. It seemed odd to her that someone would write a book about schools. और उसे ये बात भी बहुत ऑड, अजीब सी लग रही थी, स्ट्रेंज लग रही थी कि कोई स्कूल के बारे में बुक लिखेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What do you think a telebook is? The question is, what is a telebook according to you? Answer. A telebook is a book that is read on a screen. जिस बुक को स्क्रीन पर पढ़ा जाता है उसको टेलीबुक बोलते हैं. Words move on the screen as the reader reads them. और रीडर पढ़ता जाता है और वर्ड्स स्क्रीन पर मूव करते जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer. Margie's school was next to her bedroom in her house. She did not have any classmates. Next. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer. Margie and Tommy learnt. क्वेश्चन में did और फर्स्ट फॉर्म थी ना, did learn. आंसर में सेकेंड फॉर्म. Margie and Tommy learnt history, geography and arithmetic. Next, answer the following with reference to the story. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? मैं इसे कभी नहीं फेंकूंगा. ये वर्ड्स किसने कहे? What does it refer to? It किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? What is it being compared with by the speaker? और it को किसके साथ कंपेयर किया गया है? First question, who says these words? Tommy says these words. Second question, what does it refer to? It refers to the television screen. Third one, what is being compared with by the speaker? Answer. The television screen is being compared to books that used to be printed on paper in the times gone by. In the times gone by means in the olden times. Next question. Extract. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? They किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? Sure, they had a teacher. हाँ, उनके भी टीचर्स होते थे. They refers to the students who studied in schools that existed hundreds of years ago. वे बिफोर मार्गी एंड टॉमी वर बॉर्न. वे बिफोर मीन्स उनसे भी पहले. Even before Margie and Tommy were born. Second question, what does regular mean here? Regular का meaning क्या है? Answer, regular here implies that the mechanical or robotic teachers that teach Tommy and Margie have now become the norm. Norm means एक regular, एक normal सी बात हो गई थी. रेगुलर का मीनिंग क्या है? जो मैकेनिकल टीचर्स थे या रोबोटिक टीचर थे टॉमी और मार्गी के, वो अब नॉर्मल कंडीशंस की तरह से पढ़ा रहे थे. एक रोबोटिक टीचर उनको पढ़ाते थे. इट वाज देयर रूटीन टू बी टॉट बाय द रेगुलर और मैकेनिकल टीचर्स. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is it contrasted with? It को किसके साथ कंट्रास्ट किया गया है? See the answer. The mechanical or robotic teacher is contrasted with the teacher that schools had years before the time in which this story is set. मैकेनिकल या रोबोटिक टीचर को उन टीचर्स के साथ कंट्रास्ट किया गया है जो स्कूलों में बहुत साल पहले पढ़ाए जाते थे, इस स्टोरी की सेटिंग से पहले, जिनके द्वारा पढ़ाया जाता था. इन दोज डेज द टीचर वॉज अ ह्यूमन बींग. और उस जमाने में ह्यूमन बींग ही टीचर होते थे. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स डिड टॉमी एंड मार्गी हैव? आंसर द क्वेश्चन इन अबाउट 30 वर्ड्स. Margie and Tommy had mechanical or robotic teachers. The teacher was a machine with a screen that relayed lessons. Relayed means displayed. A screen which displayed lessons. It could ask questions and set tests. It had slots into which students could put homework and test papers. The marks were calculated in no time. Question number 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Answer, Margie had not been doing well in the geography tests given by her mechanical teacher. In order to find out the reason for this, her mother sent for the county inspector to get the mechanical teacher examined. Question number 3. What did he do? Answer, the county inspector smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He then repaired the mechanical teacher by opening it up. He examined it and reassembled it. उसको उसने एग्जामिन किया, जांच परख की उसकी, और रीअसेंबल्ड, इसको फिर से असेंबल कर दिया, जोड़ दिया. Question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer, Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was faulty. There was some fault in the geography sector of the mechanical teacher. It had been set to a higher level and was therefore giving out difficult tests. Higher level तक ये set हो गया था और इसलिए difficult test दे रहा था. The county inspector slowed down the geography sector to a level that was appropriate for an average 10-year-old. और काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने उसको एक एवरेज 10-year-old के स्टूडेंट के अकॉर्डिंग उसके लेवल को स्लो कर दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer, once Tommy's teacher had to be sent away for repairs for nearly a month. Its history sector had blanked out completely. Question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer, yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school. The mechanical teacher always turned on at a fixed time on all days except Saturdays and Sundays. This was done as Margie's mother believed that learning at regular hours helped children learn better. So these were the questions that we had to discuss today. Thank you for watching the video.